Welcome to Window Candles, your home's elegant lighting solution that brings timeless charm to any space. With easy-to-use energy-efficient features, our window candles are designed to illuminate your home beautifully inside and out. Each window candle features an LED or incandescent bulb designed to mimic the gentle flicker of traditional candles without the hassle of dealing with wax or fire hazards. Or you can choose a static, constant light without the flicker. Our plug-and-play design means no complicated installation or messy wiring. Just insert your window candles into the customized proprietary mounting clip and watch your home glow with ambiance. Designed with safety in mind, our LED and incandescent bulbs offer an energy-efficient solution that lasts up to 10 times longer than traditional high-voltage bulbs. The low heat output ensures the safety of your family, friends, and pets. Customize your setup with options such as LED or incandescent bulbs, and choose from a variety of decorative bases, caps, or sleeves to suit your style. Window candles are more than just lighting. They are the finishing touch that brings your home to life. Illuminate your space with the soft, inviting glow that guests and neighbors will love and do love. Join the many families across the country who have made window candles a part of their home. Window Candles, the world's first and only safe, built-in, low-voltage window candle decorating system. Visit us online at www.windowcandles.com to explore our full collection and place your order online today.